My first impression of the university was that it's pretty old.
There's a lot of facilities and things and services you can use for the school. I really liked it.
I like the fact that it was full of students, which shows me that it has a good reputation. I like the fact that the university had good resources as well.
We saw where our classes are, where the study rooms are, where the auditoriums are, where the lecture halls are. We got a good understanding of where everything is.
My first impressions of the city is that it's a very cultural city and it's a very nice, vibrant city to live in.
It's nice. It's quite small, but I feel like it's got everything close to it, so it's everything's walking distance. So it's good.
It's quite busy, more than I expected at the start. There's a lot of public transport and easy access everywhere, and it's much more modern than I thought before.
I like the most about the city, the amount of people here is a very social city.
Probably how easy it is to walk everywhere. And it's really busy, so I like that.
I am excited to be studying here for the next 6 years.
I'm very excited to live in here.
Yes, I'm very excited.
Yes, I would recommend MedConnect to other friends and family. Very helpful in the application process.